Hey everyone, today we have a special occasion. We're going to be unboxing one of our new kits that is available right now on our website. It is 2022. I know, I can't believe it is already a new year. The time has gone by really fast. With that said, since it is a new year, Nasco Education recently added a lot of great science products, including the one I'll be showing today. The kit I have with me is called Distance Learning Forensic Chemistry Drug Detection. Yeah, right? So this is part of our newly added chemistry kits, and although it's called distance learning, it is intended for individual or 1 to 2 students, whether at home or at school. And the cool part is the nurse and police discovered that something was wrong with the chili. Ooh. So students become the little investigators themselves. So let's take a closer look at what is inside the kit. We have some packaging. We have some toothpicks, so we're going to use that for some stirring rods. We have some iodine, so this is going to be one of the different variables that we're going to be using for testing the substances. We also have some sodium hydroxide, which is also going to be used to test. We have our control, which is our acetylsalicylic acid. That's a mouthful. Essentially, that's our aspirin. There's crystals, right? And then we also have 3 other different ingredients that they have with them as well. They have cornstarch that they're going to be testing. They have some salt, and they also have some sugar. And then they also have some deionized water, and that's to see if it's soluble or not. And then they also have some ferric nitrate, which is going to be used with your sodium hydroxide. And so all these different ingredients are going to be used on our little chem plates for reactions. We do have some scoops to be able to individually scoop everything out. Let's take a closer look at our guide and see what's inside there. So we have our next generation science standards. We have our introduction to forensic toxicology. So just in case you don't know what's going on there. Then it gives a little bit of scenario talking about the nurse that they had some problem with some sick kids. They have the student objectives with all the materials that you're going to need, including that you're going to need some personal protection equipment. We want to be safe. And then it gives you a procedure to how to actually run the experiment, which is going to be a lot of fun. I know your students are going to really enjoy that. We have some data sheets that we're going to collect some data, do some investigations for your students to really do that inquiry. They become experts in this, so we really want to emphasize that. And then we have our safety data sheets at the very back at the end. And that is it. This is a fun unveil of this kit to you. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more education videos from Nasco Education.